In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correct address in Zillow 2026 full guide. Keeping your listing accurate is one of the easiest ways to attract the right buyers or renters, and that includes correcting your address and keeping your visuals and facts up to date. We'll walk through Zillow's management dashboard so you can make changes confidently and see them reflect on your public listing. First, head to Zillow.com and sign in with the account tied to your property. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner for your profile icon. Click that and choose Manage Listings, sometimes labeled My Listings. This is your central hub, where each active property card appears in one place for quick access. If you manage more than one home, take a second to select the exact property you want to update. Open that property and choose Edit. This brings up the editor for property facts, pricing, and your written description. If you're here to correct the address, look within the property facts section. When the address field is editable, simply make the correction here the same way you'd adjust any other core detail. While you're in the editor, review the essentials. Confirm the rent price or list price, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and the availability date. Small inaccuracies can create confusion, so it's worth double checking everything. Next, revisit your description. Use this space to clarify anything that has changed. Maybe you've completed renovations or there are new neighborhood highlights worth mentioning. Clear, concise language helps searchers understand the value at a glance. Photos are just as important. Remove anything low resolution, dark, or outdated. Then upload high quality, well lit images that show the home at its best. Aim for consistent orientation and natural light, and consider leading with your strongest exterior or main living area photo. High quality imagery is one of the biggest drivers of engagement, so treat your gallery like a storefront window. When you're satisfied, scroll to the bottom and click Save or Publish Changes. Many updates appear right away, but certain items like price, status, or major fact changes may go through a brief system review before they're live on the map and search results. Give it a little time if something doesn't display instantly. If your property is listed with an agent through the MLS, you may notice some fields, including address or price, are locked. That's normal. In those cases, coordinate with your agent so the change happens at the MLS source, ensuring every platform, including Zillow, stays synchronized. That's it. A precise address and polished listing make a real difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next